Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account public. So first you need to click your profile on the bottom right corner. Then you click the three lines on the top right corner and just click settings and privacy. Then you need to click privacy and here you can see private account. Well, if you have a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. If this switch is turned on, that means that you have a private account, and if you want to make your account public, you just need to turn this switch off. And if you are fine with those things, you just need to tap switch, and now you basically have a public account. Alright, so all in all, this is how to make your TikTok account public. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.